do I need to supplement with magnesium long term, like every single day, or just when I'm starting keto?
So this is a really great question. So about 80% of us are magnesium deficient to start with. So magnesium is really critical to our body's processes. So it's important to make sure that we're eating foods that are rich in magnesium. Now, if you already know that you aren't eating a lot of foods rich in magnesium, then you probably you probably are a person who needs to supplement with magnesium regularly. Or do something like topical magnesium. So that could be something like Epsom salt baths, mineral salt baths. There's all different kinds of ways to get magnesium topically through your skin. Now that said, with the keto diet, our body releases a lot of salt. It dumps salt out of our body. And those salt molecules will normally hold our minerals in our body. So on keto, we do tend to, like, people will say, oh, well, I have leg cramps or Charlie horses, or I'm really, really tired all the time. Especially if you're in a very hot environment. If you have done anything endurance-wise, so maybe it's really hot and you go for a run and that's not normal for you. More exertion, heat, things like that. Even taking a hot bath or a hot shower can deplete more of those minerals from your body. So it is important to be supplementing with magnesium and other electrolytes, often found in mineral salts. One really easy way to do it is some of these electrolyte drops. So this is a Keto Chow one. This doesn't want to focus. This is a Keto Chow one, electrolyte drops. It's a great one. There's all kinds of different ones on the market. This one is 10% magnesium, 10% chloride, 4% potassium.
What's great about this one also is made in the USA. It comes from Salt Lake City.
Yep. So, and it comes with a small bottle with it that you can fill up and take with you. So that's kind of cool. And they have some different, on Keto Chow's website, they have some different ones. Another great brand is Highlight. I think it's Hilyte. So those are two different things. Just when you're looking at an electrolyte supplement, just look at where it's sourced from. Do a little bit of research into the company. Make sure that they're not putting chemicals in them, because you don't want to be dumping a lot of chemicals into your body. And give it a try. So the next question that naturally follows is how much. So that's going to differ greatly based on your activity. Yeah. So if he goes out for a rollerblade or a run on a 95-degree day, he might need a solid teaspoon of something like this. He might need a lot more salt than me, just because he's larger. His body's going to have bigger demands.
Think about electrolytes as a consumable, a very quickly consumable mineral. So it's not something more like you eat fat and it kind of sticks around a long time. You can sweat out these electrolytes very quickly. So you kind of have to time it with your activities and the seasonality and the time of day and all, a bunch of different stuff. So I always plus up my electrolytes first thing in the morning, because I'm going to work out and I know I'm going to go sweat a whole bunch, and then I'll actually drink electrolytes immediately afterwards. But I really don't have that much later in the day.
That's what this is. So we get a lot of questions about what we're drinking. So this is electrolytes, and I put I do about a teaspoon for every whatever half of this is. So this is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice with electrolytes in it, because electrolytes makes your water taste a little salty, and the lemon juice just completely covers it. And we use an organic one that has a lot of health. So lemon juice can have some good health benefits.